Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello, my name's Anthea and I create fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. So if you enjoy hauls, unboxings, reviews, that kind of thing, please do consider hitting the red subscribe button down below. And whilst hitting that red subscribe button, please do make sure you hit that notification bell, and that way you don't miss any of my future videos. Now with all that being said, let's crack on with today's video. So as you can see by the title, today's video I'm going to be doing a beauty video, and I'm going to be unboxing some of my products that I've picked up from the lovely Beauty Pie. Now, if you guys have followed me for quite a while, you'll know that I'm a massive fan of Beauty Pie. They do not sponsor me, they do not know who I am. I purchase these with my own money. I absolutely love their products. So today's video is me just unboxing some of my repeats of stuff that I buy on a regular basis, and I did actually pick up a couple of new items that I wanted to try and also share with you guys. So here is my Beauty Pie box. So this is how it comes. I've obviously taken my dress off here so that no one can see that. Lovely pink box. Yeah, oh, it's stuck here. Okay, and then this is how it comes if you've not seen it before. It's a really pretty box. I do get rid of these. I don't feel the need to keep them. It says, at Beauty Pie, our mission is to deliver the absolute best in beauty, non-stop, at prices so amazing, even a splurge is a steal. So that's their motto. I will leave a link to Beauty Pie in the description box below. So if you're interested in checking it out, please do. And if you've got any questions, again, as I always say, just leave them in the comment section down below. So it's honestly, it's lovely, beautifully packaged, yeah. So let's see what we have in here. Like I said, I've got some of my regulars that I like to pick up on a regular basis, and then I picked up a couple new items, so let me get rid of that. So the first item I have is this Beauty Pie Japan Fusion, their Energy Mist. Now this, I will show you as well, cutaway, is just like my all-time favorite essence. It sprays on so fine and beautiful. I cannot even tell you how many of these I've already bought. This is just on repeat. It's just on repeat. I absolutely love this Japan Fusion mist, and it's with Jabra C, grape polymethanol. Yeah, the details will be in the description box down below. You know, I'm not that great with my pronunciation. So it says, after cleansing, ensure optimal skincare absorption by missing over your face and neck before applying serum, treatment or moisturizer. And I go to town on this. Oh, my face is, yeah, go to town on it. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is one of my staples. I repeat purchase this like there is no other. So yeah, I'm towards the end of the last one, so I had to get one as a backup because I can't be without it. So that's the first item there. And then next, following on from Japan Fusion, I picked up the Genius Lift Elixir. So this is a serum. Now I've used this serum before and I really liked it. I did try a few of the serums from Beauty Pie, but this one I felt like I liked the most. So I think in one of my previous videos, I will link that somewhere in the cards and down below, I wanted to try a few serums just to kind of see which ones I actually really like, because I've got quite a few on there. And so I think I'm going to settle with this. However, I say that, but I've just tried one from a K-beauty brand, which I really like. So I think what I might do is use this one, and then I might try the other one from the K-beauty, because I do like to switch up my products from time to time. So I don't like to necessarily use the same thing all the time. Even though I've just said that with the essence, I do use that. I just feel like that's different. I don't know why it's different, but I just feel like it is different, and I can't be without that. However, I think serums, because they're more treatment based, I think it's a good idea to switch up. So that's my excuse anyway, I'm sticking to it. So yeah, this is the Japan Fusion Elixir serum. Really good, this one. Love it, love it. And then next we've got the Featherlight UVA UVB SPA 50. So this is a sunscreen and a primer. To be fair, I use it more as a sunscreen. I've used it before. It's very comparable to the La Roche-Posay and I will leave a picture of what that looks like here. It's a very similar texture. It comes out white. However, when you put it on your skin, it just absorbs in. There's no ashy looking. You don't look pasty or anything like that, especially on a darker skin. It's really nice. And I suppose if it is on a day where I'm wearing makeup, then I just put makeup on, but I don't necessarily think, oh, it's a primer as well. It's more for sun protection than anything. So, you know, if you're using, as I always say, if you're using any kind of acids or anything like that, you do need to make sure you're following up with a sunscreen, because all that hard work will just go out the window. So if you are using any peels, acids, anything like that, and you don't have a sunscreen, I would say, and you know, obviously if you're dark skin, I think back in the day there used to be a real difficulty in picking up a sunscreen for darker skin just because of the way it looked on the skin. Nowadays there are quite a few brands out there that actually work great on darker skin, and I would say definitely this is one of them. And if you don't want to kind of join up with the beauty pie, the La Roche-Posay is a really good one as well, which I'm actually using at the moment. So again, similarly, I like to kind of alternate because they both work really well. But because I was doing an order, I thought it just made sense to pick up this one because I've used it before and I know that it works really well. So yeah, and it's in a 50ml, if you're interested, 50ml. And it lasts for quite a while. I use it pretty much every day if I'm going outside. And then I decided to pick up a couple of new things, because why not? Why not? Why the devil not? So the first new thing that I picked up is this Beauty Pie Super Retinol High Dose Intensive Booster Treatment. Now I do use like acids and stuff. I'm using one at the moment from The Ordinary, which is it's really good, but I'm going to finish using that, and I wanted to try retinol. I've tried them in the past, but I don't feel like I've been consistent with them, so I thought, you know what, this, I think this was the highest, yeah, high dose. Like I said, I've only kind of used them sparingly here and there, but I wanted to try and get something that would, you know, kind of even out the skin and like help with any fine lines. I've got a few here and there, so I thought this would be really good to try. So it just says apply 1 to 2 pumps over your entire face and neck after cleansing, follow with an SPF in the morning and super retinol, vitamin C, Newell something moisture. Oh, so you can do it morning and evening. Repeat for a month as a high potency renewal intensive treatment. If redness occurs, I'll blend 50-50 with moisturiser, gradually increasing the dosage until skin acclimatizes. Oh, okay, so looks like you'll just use it for a month every day. I'll have to read up on this specifically. I have used a retinol before. I don't know if they're all the same, so I will kind of just use it kind of sparingly to see how my skin reacts to it. But I'm really excited to use that. So I'll probably just use it at the night time. I don't think I'd use it in the day, because I have something else that I picked up that I want to use in the day. So here we go. So I picked up, this is something new that I've never used from Beauty Pie before. I've used the vitamin C, but not from Beauty Pie or this particular one. And this is the Superdose Vitamin C. It says C Sweet Rapid Action Power Brightener with 15% vitamin C and tranexamic acid. So this, it says, does it tell me how to use it? Here we are on this side. Oh no, it doesn't tell me. But anyway, it's good for like pigmentation. Yeah, it says a powerful free radical scavenger. Okay. Plus a firmness and elasticity booster that also helps the appearance of dark spots and pigmentation. Now, I do have a little bit of pigmentation, more kind of around here. I think it's specific on this side. I don't, like, you can probably just see it under the makeup. I don't do any major colour correcting. I can't bother, to be honest with you. But I kind of thought, well, I can use this in the morning, and then obviously, like I said to you, the retinol at a night time, and that way, hopefully, over time, you know, things will even out a bit. You know, I'm not looking for perfection because I just feel like skin is skin, but ideally I'd like just to kind of even it out the best I can, so that my skin is looking its best. So that, my lovelies, is the end of today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know if you've tried any of the products that I've shown you today, and if you've got any questions, as I always say, please do leave them in the comment section down below, and I'd be more than happy to answer any questions that I can. I will leave any previous videos towards the end of here, and if you did make it to the end of this video, thank you so much for making it to the end. So please do not leave without hitting that red subscribe button down below, and if you did end up enjoying the video, please do make sure you give it a big thumbs up. It really does help the channel. And I think that is everything. I don't think there's anything left to say here, but thank you again, and I hope you're all doing well out there, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye for now, guys. See ya.